In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare Hostinger plans. Once you've opened the Hostinger website and you're on the page where the hosting options are displayed, you'll see several plans available, including Single, Premium, Unlimited, and Cloud Startup. This is the key area where you'll compare what each option offers, so take a moment to look through the page carefully before making a decision. As you review the plans, pay attention to how they are presented side by side. This layout makes it easier to compare the main differences, such as the level of hosting resources, the number of websites you may be able to manage, and any extra features included with a higher tier option. Even if the names of the plans sound straightforward, it's still a good idea to read through the details so you understand exactly what you're getting. The single plan is usually the most basic option, so it may be a good fit if you're starting small and only need something simple. The premium plan often includes more flexibility, which can be useful if you want additional features or room to grow. Unlimited is generally aimed at users who need fewer restrictions and more capacity, while Cloud Startup is typically designed for stronger performance and more advanced needs. The best choice depends on what you want to build and how much power or flexibility you expect to need. Feel free to read through all the information shown under each plan. Don't rush this part. Comparing the plans carefully can help you avoid choosing something that's either too limited or more than you actually need. If the page highlights benefits, storage, performance, or support options, use that information to guide your decision. Once you've decided which plan fits you best, simply click the Choose Plan button underneath that option. After that, Hostinger will guide you through the next part of the process with prompts on your screen. At that stage, just continue by following the instructions shown to move forward. As you go through the prompts, make sure you read each page before clicking ahead so you know exactly what you're confirming. That's especially helpful when selecting the plan that matches your goals and budget. And that's it. Comparing Hostinger plans is really just about reviewing the available options, understanding the differences, and choosing the one that best matches your needs.